What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, gold on the lower time frame is giving us a significant selling opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. First, let's look at monthly. What do we see that on the monthly perspective, gold is long term bearish. As you can see, starting from here, we have seen this big impulse on the monthly perspective, followed by this correction. Now, to see the Fibonacci level, what we can do starting of this impulse to the end of the move, if we place our Fibonacci, we see that gold primarily in the first month of retracement retrace up to 38.2% Fibonacci level, and then has closed again. As soon as the market opened this month, we have seen primarily a bounce. Now after this bounce created an overextended market, we have seen that gold started to drop. Now because it's a long-term bearish market, now we can expect gold to come back at least to this level where there is a previous resistance zone which is turning support with this long middleman. So with that in mind, we can expect now gold for short-term drop at least before creating any movement to the upside. Now, if we look at the weekly perspective, we see that there is a significance to look at. First of all, this is a very, very important support down resistance here. If you closely look at this, is the Doji on the weekly perspective that has an element of false breakout swing high, came back here and created this support which is turning resistance here. And also we have seen this current week the price a little bit of penetrated to the upside to this level, created an overextended market, grab the liquidity, and then now we see that this market is rejecting to the downside. Now weekly perspective as well, we can expect gold now to come back at least certain level before creating any movement to the upside. So looking at daily, what we see that on the daily time frame, the previous day, there is a narrow doji has been formed. And also we saw that there is a false breakout on the daily perspective here with this middleman. The price created this movement to the upside, this narrow doji. Now we see that sellers are again in control in comparison with the buyers in this area, giving us a potential drop on gold. Now as you can see, already we see there is a daily middleman here and created this move above this daily 20 period moving average. What we could see that gold again has another drop, grabbing liquidity from this daily 20 EMA, and from this level we could see again massive rise to the upside. So with that in mind, on the lower time frame, we can expect now gold to come back and drop to the downside. If we look at the intraday perspective, on the lower time frame, we see that gold in fact has created a head and shoulder here in this lower time frame, and with that head and shoulder creation was what we see that this current session candle also created an overextended to the upside and now closing back as a doji, which is giving us a potential for shorting in this zone. Highly likely that if the price cannot break this high in this current candle and remain as a doji with a lower high and lower low, we could potentially see that gold is coming back down again, respecting this important level of support which turn resistance here. As you can see, this is the zone where the liquidity huge due to the news announcement NFP time. We have seen there is a strong movement from here. Now we see that level is broken and tested multiple times, created series of lower high, giving us a high probability for gold to continue to drop. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone for potential selling opportunity on gold, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.